Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into wildlife. We discuss elephants in detail here. Let's get started. African forest elephant and Asian elephant. Of the African species, the bush elephants are larger, lighter in color, and their tusks curve outwards. To tell the difference between an African and Asian elephant, look at the ears. Elephants in Africa have large ears shaped a bit like the African continent. Asian elephants' ears are smaller and round. Elephant habitats are many and varied. Elephants live in many habitats across Africa and Asia, including wetland, forest, grassland, savanna, and deserts. They can happily live anywhere that has enough food and water. They are vegetarian. Elephants are herbivores, so they eat only plants, including roots, grasses, leaves, fruit, and bark. These super snackers spend 80% of their day eating and eat 160 kilograms of food a day. If we can get hold of them, bananas are special. Elephant wings are like noses with fingers. An elephant trunk has 40,000 nerves. It looks like a long nose and is used for smelling, breathing, and movement. With two fingers like paws at the end, elephant trunk is also like a hand and can perform delicate moves like picking and delicious berries. Elephants fill their trunks with water and pour the water into their hands to drink. So the elephant trunk is a nose, hand, and a hose pipe. These great giants love water and always wear trunks. Elephants happily bath, swim, and play in water. They use their trunk as a snorkel to breathe when swimming in deep water. They are not just strong swimmers but super sleepers. An adult male elephant can drink up to 212 liters of water in less than 5 minutes. That's the equivalent of around 640 cans of Coca Cola. Elephants use mud as a sunscreen. A river or lake is not only a drinking spot but an elephant spa. Elephant skin looks tough but is sensitive and can get sunburned. That's why elephants roll in mud. It cools them down and creates a protective layer on their skin. Elephants also enjoy a shower and use their trunk to squirt water on their back. Then they dust themselves with sand and they are ready to go. Elephant's teeth regrow. Elephant has 26 teeth and each tooth can weigh as much as 3 kilograms. The most famous elephant teeth are the long incisors called tusks. They can grow as long as 2 meters in African elephants. Elephants are polyphyodonts, don't, so their teeth fall out and regrow many times in their life. These elephant feet are made for walking. Each elephant foot has 5 toes and is flat with a large pad underneath. Much like the sole of a trainer, the pad acts as a shock absorber. It also helps the elephant walk quietly. Elephants walk huge distance to find food and water, so comfortable soles are essential. Elephants' tails are handily fly sweats. Compared to its trunk and tusk, an elephant's tail looks like a feeble. With a tuft of hair at the end, it's still useful as a fly sweater. Plus, baby elephants will hold their mother tails with their trunk to keep up. They are caring and sociable. Elephants love company. Other adult females and baby elephants travel in herds ruled by a matriarch, and elephant queen. Adult males live alone or in small groups. Elephant hug by wrapping their trunks together. They can also use their trunks to help lift an elephant calf over an obstacle or to gently raise a newborn to its feet. And if an elephant friend is stuck in mud, they'll use their trunks to try and rescue it. An elephant's brain, up to 5 kilograms, that's larger than any other land animal and helps store the amazing elephant memory. They can easily remember as many as 1,000 elephant friends and will never forget where the best food can be found. I hope you have liked this content. So please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.